Yeah, hello everybody. I'm going to try to sharpen the bandsaw blade today to a Wood-Mizer sawmill. Thought I might try to get a little bit of video of that. Never done any. Thinking about trying to do YouTube. Ain't never hired on. Ain't never had a Gmail account actually before. Had to do that to do something else. So anyhow, I thought we'd try about making a little video here about sharpening the blade. Get an idea what goes on for that. I'm getting this blade set right now. Each one just a smidge different. And we'll get that started here in just a second. Start making some sparks. And see how she's going to act. Turn on the water. Got the blade dressed up, or I had it dressed up a little bit ago. We'll go slow first. First tooth or two, we'll go slow and make sure we're hitting the whole gullet. Then we'll speed it up. It'll probably take a couple passes, it's going to sound like on this blade, to get it straightened up. I've done some sawing over the weekend. We hit some metal in one log. This might be that blade, I don't know. It's taking just a little bit to get it going. But anyhow, this automatic sharpener, it advances a tooth. See over here, there's an eccentric wheel. So it runs this head up and down to the profile of that tooth. If you're going to do a different profile of tooth, you need a different wheel there, I think. But I don't know. I'm just trying it out. Trying out the video recording and all that all at once. But Saturday we saw a bunch of nice white oak, some real nice, awesome walnut. None of it was small logs, it was all nice big logs. We were sawing a white oak, butt cut white oak that was, I gotta get them 3/0 glasses off. I gotta have them see them sawmill teeth, but man, they'll make it tangle like. We were sawing 10-foot-6 white oak for a guy project in his house, and we'd opened up the logs, made a couple face cuts on it, and it's metal. I took wood chisel and a hammer and dug around it a little bit so I could get vice grips on it. We got them pulled out, 2 of them, and I run the metal detector over it, and I didn't catch any more in it. Just a little handheld jobbing. And lo and behold, 3 or 4 cuts later, I might have rolled it once after that. We hit 5 pieces of metal, or 4, I can't remember. Don't get me to lying. But it turned out there's a piece of woven wire fence that grew into the tree. Then it had to have been there, shucks, a number of years. It was 4 or 5 inches deep under the bark. But we didn't ruin the blade. It was kind of rusted and deteriorated. We dulled it, but we didn't ruin it. So I'll listen to this and see if I hear a real bad tooth, I'll look at it. It may have ruined the blade, but I don't think so. You guys might have seen I put a little. I was messing around back there when I first started. I put one of these little magnets like that on the tip tooth end. It'll come around, and there's a Hall effect sensor here, and that'll pick up the magnetic field of that magnet. And I can see from where the magnet's at. We're just halfway through this blade now. But it'll pick up that magnet when it comes around and shut this machine off. So generally I don't have to sit here and babysit this. I can either take a blade I just sharpened and turn around on the tooth setter and set the teeth. This one don't feel bad. It probably won't need set. I'll measure. But I can turn around and set that, or I can go outside and be cleaning off other, if I get stitch or anything built up on another saw blade, I can clean that off with a wire brush or wire wheel while this is doing this thing. Sometimes I'll sit in here and clean, pick stuff up, but you can tell I haven't fell victim to the cleaning in here in a while. But I'm running an LT40 super hydraulic sawmill. Got the blade sharpener, setter. Got a twin blade edger. We can make quite a bit of pretty good lumber in a day's time. And then there's stuff like this you got to do in the meantime. It's expensive to run one, but you get there and you think, well, $75 an hour, that's an awful lot. Well, that's got to pay for the sawmill, got to pay for the blade, got to pay for sharpening, gas, diesel, time. If you're not doing it for a hobby, if you're doing it for a hobby, it'd still be nice to pay for yourself. And I'm a little bit of both. I do it for myself, for building. I use a lot of rough cut lumber building chicken houses and sheep stalls and just whatever I need to be made out of wood. And you got to keep the blade sharp to make good wood. I hear so many people, well, that job I was at Saturday, nice guy to work for, good guy to work for, knew what he wanted, knew what it took to get it. He had his logs clean, he had them staged by the sawmill. We got in there, I showed up there, probably 7:30, and I took the diesel home with me, so we were making sawdust by 8 o'clock, and he was ready to go. And that was the first time sawing for this guy. I say I really enjoyed it. I'm glad he welcomed me to his place and let me saw there for him. And he seemed like he was just as happy to have me there as I was to be there. He complimented me numerous times on my lumber, and that made me feel good. I guess many times people have wavy lumber and just makes it unusable. Well, you guys got to get the sawmill set right. Keep the blade short. Life's too short for dull blades. Well, coming up on, you'll see this here in a minute. It'll just shut down on its own. There it went. And now what I'll do is I will let this go around probably one more time, because I'm not 100%. I haven't hit the blade. I haven't hit the tooth all the way around. It's not as sharp as it needs to be. So we'll turn the feed back down and back back that wheel just a touch. And I think we should be in good shape. I'm going to lower it just a smidge too. I think that one's good. I'll put my finger on a tooth and we'll count 5 teeth in it. And we'll set that magnet on there, and there it goes around again. Sometimes it'll take 2 or 3 times around the blade to get it all cleaned up. And the gullet, very important. You'll get hairline cracks started in them just from sawing, and so you want to make sure you get in that gullet and take any micro, little, I don't know what you saw them, you can't see them with your eye, you just know they're there. So you want to take them cracks out, keep them busting them blades. I broke 2 blades Saturday, and I didn't saw with either one of them very long. They both been with ones I'd sharpened, so I know I didn't clean up deep enough in the gullet. The guy hates to ruin a blade like that. So, well, there it is. It'll put you to sleep. So, have a big time, everybody. Thanks for watching if you did.